Hey guys, little update. This time of the Discus tank. Oops. No, just kidding, of course. So as you can see, something have been moved away, and after that we had to deal in emergency with the Trophäus tank. This time it was a turn to deal with the Discus tank. So as you can see, it has been removed. This one is a replacement. I had to polish a little bit some scratches, not from me, scratching from the company who provided the glass panel, of course, so you had to fix it, few hours to deal with that. Result is okay. This one is still testing it without movement and so on. You can see the water will have to go away. And the little guys, of course, I haven't thrown them away. They just move from here to here. And you can wonder what is this alu tank, alu profile support. In fact, this is the old one. This is the new one. This here, this is the extension. In fact, you can have a comparison here between we get 25 centimeter more. So if I take one without killing everything up, you have the comparison here. A bit brighter, a bit larger, isn't it? So I had to remove everything. The good thing is the tank and the support was already fitting, and the 8 was already there, so it was for the connecting the tubing and so on. It wasn't so much complicated. Nevertheless, it's a little job. Of course, you have to empty your tank, you have to put in a temporary tank your fish, trying to avoid to mix just the discus with the tetraneon, for example, because even if they are stressed, they could try to get a little snack. And after that, you can transfer the tank here, reconnect, restart everything, what is required, put some new water. This is 200 liters of osmosis water, 100 liters of tap water. With osmosis water, I put some salts to get the conductivity close to what I had previously. So it's like a very big water change, I would say. Temperature-wise, it is here. 29, you can see when you start again the tank and when you plug back everything, you have to check temperature, you have to check of course the filtration, you have to check the air pump, because here this is a moving bed turning. UV, I haven't put it. Ozone, I haven't put it. Here this is auto top off, automatic water fulfilling when the filter is detecting that because it's overflow, so all the evaporation in fact is impacting here and you are losing the water here. This is to compensate, to fulfill. And the last important thing to not miss, especially in this moving situation, this is the detector that we use. This is this one from Mi Home, Xiaomi Mi Home, and it is connected to your smartphone, connected to the gateway with a kind of big alarma that we had the pleasure during the night already few times to hear, but with some reason. Other than that, all the fish has been transferred properly, the discus are fine, hopefully. The whales and all the baby whales also fine. I just feed them. I put the system this way with automatic feeder for the whales. This is young, big enough to stay in the net, but not big enough to swim with other adult. And this is also some many, I would say 15 nearly, L333 to be sold at one point, I would say. And I feed the little guy with this tube. This is a powder that you can just spray like that, and this is a paste, a kind of powder, but with a paste consistency. Very good for the little guys. And hopefully we lost nobody, and everything is back and running temporarily as needed. In fact, I have to extend the support. I have after that to put this big guy on the support to do the water test, to pick a little piece of decoration, to pick before to fulfill back the proper location, because in fact, since the tank has been are a bit bigger now, not longer, but larger and a bit higher. In fact, the question, this is also to find the proper location. You know, maybe it could be more interesting a bit here to let more space for the sofa, or maybe we can keep this precise location. We will see, we will do some tests with the empty tank. Right now, both tank support are connected and holding the lightning system ramp with this interesting bridge system. Very flexible as you can see. You can set it up at your convenience regarding the tanks that you have under it. But maybe could be something interesting to do with two tanks disconnected. So it will be even more fake twins, I would say. Yep, that's all for the day. Long day, a bit stress, I would say, because these fishes are a bit costly, so you don't want to mess up. And at the base, it's also living system, living animals. I will get it, and you are not a fish keeper and trying to kill your living fishes, your living stocks. Yeah, exactly. But it did work fine. So that's all for the day. I guess it's time to go to bed. Ciao, guys. Hope everything is fine.